is Xian at 9 o'clock in the morning, full of pollution. And these people are really worried about the PM 2.5 levels, and therefore most of the people wear masks while going out. In fact, if you see this blue board, it has a question mark related to the PM 2.5 level, with big question mark, PM 2.5. They are really worried about the PM 2.5, I say, and this is a big issue out here. Just see, PM 2.5. I'm having some problems because I want to focus on this PM 2.5 thing. Xian, 9 o'clock in the morning, 30th of October. Just before leaving Xian in the lobby, our Eric is ready for us to guide us all through. And this is how it looks. Look at those beautiful flowers. Look at that. A sweet chill. And this is the PM 2.5 thing that I was talking about. There's a question mark. I don't know what the question mark means, but it must be saying something. This is our hotel, looking up and up. Beautiful building on the side. Seems like another hotel on the right hand side. They are having an underground metro construction going on, and therefore that crane-like structure.
We go to lunch. I think now everybody knew where is the restaurant, right?
Yes.
Everyone બધાને ખબર છે રેસ્ટોરન્ટ ક્યાં છે?
Yeah. So we have lunch 1 o'clock.
આપણી કેબિન.
No. 1 o'clock.
અહીંયાથી આમ સ્ટ્રેટ ચાલીને. A lot of people doesn't know.
Okay.
Everyone's meeting point, we would decide. We will be with a group, but I can see some.
We are entering the pagoda.
પગોડા આપણે આગળ લઈએ સોલ્યુશન ત્યાં આ બધા બહુ પાણી
So this is the first part we will visit. Just you know, this is the big wild goose pagoda. So this pagoda is very old. The history is over 1,300 years old. 1,300 years old. So this pagoda in a temple. So this temple name is Thanksgiving Temple. Investing in all the festival, Thanksgiving, right? Similar. Because in the Tang Dynasty, the third emperor name was Li Zhi. When he was younger, he was a priest, not emperor. His mother passed away. Few years later, he grew up. He became an emperor. He missed very much his mother. So he built this temple for his mother. We also say the Great Mother Temple or Great Mercy or Great Thanksgiving Temple. Why we call it Thanksgiving Temple? But today we look at this temple. It is a new temple. Because 1,300 years passed, many old palace temples had already been destroyed. So and the government in 1980s invest more money to repair and rebuild some part. So today we take a look. Very beautiful. Temple very beautiful.
Okay.
Now we are going to go to the Buddha temple. Across these steps, look at the beautiful carving in marble.
我去上礼拜有了。
क्या भी लेवानी
这个门口不能买。来，小朋友，来。
계단이 붙이.
Doctor, oh doctor, doctor, soda doctor. What is your avasa? That's right.
মুখি দেওয়ালেন লাঠি দেওয়ালেন I don't know. This is all from a gate. It's a carving from a gate. It's not a painting. The Buddha tree.
लाकड़ा पर छोटा दोस्तों ने कलर करे आज कौन हो सकता
Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you.
Okay.